In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule an appointment on Acuity scheduling. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring you can manage your appointments with ease and flexibility. First and foremost, let's head over to Acuity scheduling. It's the platform where you've likely set up appointments for yourself or your business, and is what we'll be navigating today. Once you're on the homepage of Acuity scheduling, the next step is to log in to access your schedule. Look for the login button. It's your gateway to entering your account where all your scheduling details are held. Upon clicking login, you'll be prompted to type in your email address. Make sure you enter the email address associated with your Acuity scheduling account to ensure seamless access. After you've typed in your email, you'll see a next button. Click on it to proceed to the next step of the login process. Moving forward, you might see a variety of options for how to continue logging in. In our case, click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google account, which can be quite handy if that's how you initially set up your Acuity scheduling account. It streamlines the process and keeps you from having to remember an additional password. Next, you'll be presented with a list of Google accounts. Select the Google account you use to set up or have linked to your Acuity scheduling. This step is crucial for ensuring that you're entering the correct account and will have access to your scheduled appointments. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your calendar. This is where all your appointments are organized and displayed. Depending on how Acuity scheduling's interface looks at the time you're watching this, you might need to look around a bit. Typically, you'll find an option labeled something like Calendar or Appointments on your dashboard or within a menu. Click on that to proceed. Within your calendar, you'll see all your scheduled appointments laid out. Find the appointment you need to reschedule. This step might require a bit of scrolling if you have a busy schedule. Once you've located the right appointment, click on the schedule for that specific appointment to bring up its details. With the appointment details in front of you, look for an option to reschedule. This button is your key to adjusting the appointment time to something that better fits your schedule or the availability of the parties involved. Go ahead and click on Reschedule. Now you'll be shown a calendar interface where you can select a new date for your appointment. This is your opportunity to find a date and time that works best. Take your time here to ensure the new slot suits your needs. After selecting a new date, you'll see a Reschedule Appointment option. Clicking this finalizes your choice and updates the appointment in the Acuity scheduling system. You've now successfully rescheduled your appointment. A tip to keep in mind through this process is to consider the schedules of both parties involved when choosing a new appointment time. Additionally, be aware of Acuity scheduling's notifications settings. When an appointment is rescheduled, notifications can be sent out to ensure everyone is on the same page. Remember, managing appointments with flexibility is key to maintaining smooth operations, whether for personal engagements or running a business. Acuity scheduling is designed to make this process as straightforward as possible, and knowing how to navigate its rescheduling feature is essential. That wraps up our guide on how to reschedule an appointment on Acuity scheduling. With these steps, you'll find it easy to adjust your schedule as needed, ensuring you're always prepared for the day ahead. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your schedule with ease.